There are few areas of our lives that is as frightening as the possibility of change. Even a positive change is very scary to many of us. Change situations are like, if I get this promotion, am I able to handle it? If I am dating this person, will it ruin any other parts of my relationships with other people? In a nutshell, if something changes, can I cope with the changes? Hey everyone, I am Wong. I'm a HRD consultant, trainer, and writer. In this video, I will share about what are we going to question ourselves when we often find ourselves in the good or the bad side of change. Change might be difficult to manage. However, reality that we need to know and accept is that change is the only constant present in our lives. Our lives is change. Every moment, change is with us. Every day, in fact, every minute, we change as well. All this means is we need to learn how to adapt, embrace, and manage change. And this change adaptation is one of the most essential skills in life. In a nutshell, we need to know how to learn to adapt. First, accept change as unavoidable. It will come and it will happen. Prepare yourself because you can't stop it from happening. Second, take in our mind that change is not bad. It is a shift. It is transition. It is definitely a positive effect. It will help us grow and become better. Even if it hurts, there is always a bright side to the change. Third, if you are facing a change that you don't like, think about how it will make you better in life. What can I learn from this? How can I use my learning to my advantage in the future or even now? Fourth, look at the few benefits that comes with change. It is useful to think of change as an ever-present factor in life, and it will not hurt us in the long run. It will not last forever. A change will always come after another change. As change challenges us, change will make us better. Change will make us move forward. Change is also making us grow. And all this will become easier and better once you go through a few cycles of changes, because change is the only constant in life. Consider the aspects that is changing for you in terms of relationship. Do you go and accept or resist change as a relationship in your life? How comfortable are you when things are in progress? By allowing change to happen and looking at the bright side, we can improve ourselves, our lives, and let change not become a pain for us. What we can do is we go with the flow of change and let it happen. Let change teach us. Accept and manage change. Adapt and grow with it. Till the next video, be happy and also make life massive.